To make $122,000 per month, you need a consistent income stream. Generating $400 every day might seem daunting, but it's more attainable than you think. Hi there. Today, I want to introduce you to a side hustle that's accessible to anyone. It's a potential gold mine, requiring minimal effort on your part. Imagine earning thousands of dollars monthly, even daily, without breaking a sweat. Well, that's exactly what some individuals are doing with this side hustle. The beauty of it, you can operate from anywhere, no need to show your face, and you can start with zero investment. Intrigued? Picture faceless YouTube channels raking in thousands of dollars monthly. They're gaining millions of views and amassing thousands of followers simply by creating videos on various topics: motivation, education, travel, technology, you name it. Most of these videos are compiled using stock footage with a voiceover. It's a lucrative business model that's often overlooked. Take, for instance, Top 5 on YouTube, pulling in over $1,000 per day and nearly $500,000 annually. Another example is Tropia, accumulating millions of views across their videos and making up to $400 per day, totaling $10,000 per month. These channels are just the tip of the iceberg. So how do they do it? They leverage a powerful tool that turns simple ideas into fully fledged videos with engaging scripts, background music, subtitles, and even custom voiceovers. Once you create a video, it continues to generate income indefinitely. There are videos on YouTube that are a decade old and still making thousands monthly. This tool, known as InVideo AI, makes the process incredibly easy. You provide a topic and instructions, and it generates a video for you. Want to add a personal touch? You can even use your own voice for the narration, seamlessly blending AI-generated content with your unique flair. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just a smartphone or laptop will do. InVideo AI offers a free plan, allowing you to create up to 4 videos per week. But for serious content creators, the paid plan offers additional perks, including access to premium stock footage and voice cloning. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and strategy. So, pick a topic you're passionate about, start creating content, and watch your channel grow. It may take time, but with persistence, you can turn your passion into a lucrative income stream. And if you're ready to take the plunge, sign up for InVideo AI and start creating captivating videos today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy creating. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.